Looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can bake, roast, toast, and air fry with ease? In this guide to the best air fryer oven, we'll explore top-performing models that deliver crispy results, spacious capacity, and convenient cooking features to help you prepare delicious meals faster and healthier every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Midea Flexify Classic Air Fryer Oven. The Midea Flexify Classic Air Fryer Oven is a practical and stylish kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking. Featuring Cyclone air fry technology, it cooks food up to 25% faster while using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier choice for families. Its advanced convection system combines a powerful fan and 6 heating tubes to deliver even heat distribution, helping foods come out crispy on the outside and tender inside. With 10 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm, this appliance offers excellent versatility for preparing a wide variety of meals. The spacious 26.4 quart capacity easily accommodates a 12-inch pizza, multiple slices of toast, or a generous batch of chicken wings. Precise temperature and timer controls allow for greater cooking accuracy, while the elegant French door design adds a premium touch to any kitchen. Complete with essential accessories such as an air fry basket, baking tray, baking rack, and crumb tray, the Midea Flexify Classic Air Fryer Oven delivers convenience, flexibility, and reliable performance for everyday cooking needs. Number 2. Chefman 12-Quart 5-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. The Chefman 12-Quart 5-in-1 Air Fryer Oven is a versatile countertop appliance designed for busy households seeking multiple cooking options in one compact unit. Combining air frying, baking, dehydrating, roasting, reheating, and rotary stir cooking capabilities, it offers impressive flexibility for preparing everyday meals. The spacious 12-quart interior provides enough room to cook family-sized portions, making it suitable for gatherings and larger households. One of its standout features is the stainless steel rotary stir spit, which helps create juicy, evenly cooked chicken with crispy skin while using less oil than traditional methods. The appliance offers a wide temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing users to prepare everything from dehydrated snacks to roasted meats. For those who enjoy extra crispy results, the high fry function boosts the temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the final minutes of cooking. The intuitive touch control panel and 12 cooking presets simplify operation, making meal preparation accessible even for beginners. Overall, the Chefman 12-Quart Air Fryer Oven combines convenience, functionality, and generous capacity in an easy-to-use design. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven is a versatile multi-cooker designed to handle everything from quick snacks to large family meals. Combining air frying, roasting, baking, and other cooking functions, it offers impressive flexibility for everyday use. Its dual-speed convection fan circulates superheated air throughout the cooking chamber, helping foods develop a crispy texture while maintaining moisture inside. The oven also performs exceptionally well as a toaster, featuring an automatic shutoff function that helps prevent overcooking. Its spacious interior accommodates a variety of dishes, making it useful for both daily meals and special occasions. The elegant French door design provides easy access to food, while the interior light allows users to monitor cooking progress without opening the doors. Finished with a durable stainless steel exterior, the appliance brings a premium appearance to the kitchen. It offers a balanced combination of performance, convenience, and modern style. Number 4. Ninja Countertop Air Fryer Oven. The Ninja Countertop Air Fryer Oven is a powerful and feature-rich appliance designed for families who need extra cooking capacity and versatility. Offering 10 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, pizza, toast, and dehydrate, it serves as a complete cooking station on the countertop. Its smart surround convection technology uses a high-velocity fan and rear heat source to circulate heat around food, promoting even browning and crisping from every angle. The large interior can accommodate multiple trays, a 12-pound turkey, or several servings of snacks and meals, making it ideal for entertaining or meal prep. With a rapid 90-second preheat time and cooking speeds faster than many traditional ovens, it helps save valuable time in the kitchen. The appliance also supports healthier cooking with significantly reduced oil usage. Combined with its modern design and reliable performance, it is a highly capable kitchen companion.
Number 5. Cuisinart 1800-watt Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart 1800-watt Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers impressive versatility and dependable cooking performance in a well-built countertop appliance. Designed with multiple cooking modes, including air fry, bake, broil, grill, toast, convection bake, and warming functions, it can easily handle a wide variety of recipes. Its spacious interior accommodates 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, 3 pounds of chicken wings, or a whole roasted chicken, making it suitable for both individuals and families. Air Advantage technology enhances airflow inside the oven, helping foods cook evenly while developing a crisp exterior and flavorful texture. Adjustable temperature controls, a toast shade selector, and a 60-minute timer provide flexibility and precision for different cooking tasks. The stainless steel interior simplifies cleanup, while the included accessories expand its functionality. Combining power, capacity, and convenience, this air fryer toaster oven is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.